Most guys with wavy hair have no clue why it always looks frizzy, even after washing, styling, or buying expensive products. Here's the truth. Your hair isn't dry. It is damaged from the inside. And by the end of this video, you'll know the exact formula to turn dull, puffy waves into glossy, model-tier hair that actually gets noticed. Because 99% of men are doing this completely wrong. Before you throw money at another anti-frizz shampoo, you need to understand why your wavy hair misbehaves in the first place. Frizz happens when the cuticle layer, the outer shield of your hair, lifts up because of protein imbalance, heat damage, or moisture overload. When that happens, light stops reflecting evenly, and your waves lose their shape and shine. The scary part? Most products made for men actually make this worse. Sulfates strip your hair's natural proteins. Conditioners made for straight hair flatten your texture. That's why your hair looks fluffy, not glossy. But don't worry. Once you understand how to rebuild the protein structure inside your strands, your hair will start holding shape, definition, and shine automatically. All right, let's fix it. Step by step. Here's the 5-step framework to go from frizzy chaos to controlled, glossy waves in under 30 days. Step 1. Rebuild the protein structure, the core fix. This is where 99% of men fail. Your hair is made of keratin, a protein. Every time you shampoo, blow dry, or expose it to sun, you chip away at that structure. Think of it like a rope. Once the inner fibers fray, it looks dull and lifeless. Protein treatments fill those gaps and restore the strand's strength. Look for hydrolyzed keratin, collagen, or silk proteins in your conditioner or mask. Use it once a week, not daily, because too much protein can make hair stiff. Studies show hydrolyzed protein increases hair tensile strength by up to 40% after consistent use for 4 weeks. That's literally repairing your hair from the inside. Apply protein treatments on towel-dried hair and leave for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with cool water to seal the cuticle. Step 2. Seal in moisture, the shine lock. Once you rebuild the structure, you need to lock in hydration so your waves reflect light instead of scattering it. Here's how. After shampooing, use a leave-in conditioner with ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, or glycerin. Never apply it on soaking wet hair. Wait until it's damp so it actually absorbs. When your cuticle is flat and sealed, your hair behaves like a mirror. That's where the gloss effect comes from. Finish with a pea-sized amount of hair oil, like argan or jojoba, to trap moisture without greasiness. Step 3. Master the wash routine. Stop overwashing. Most guys wash their hair way too often. Shampooing every day strips the natural oils that protect and smooth your strands. Here's the new rule. Wash every 2 to 3 days max. When you do shampoo, use a sulfate-free formula. Those harsh detergents are what cause 80% of unnecessary frizz. On non-wash days, just rinse your hair with cold water and reapply a small amount of leave-in conditioner. This refreshes your waves without removing the oils they need. Ask yourself, are you cleaning your hair or killing its natural defense system? Step 4. Style smart. Control the heat. If you use a blow dryer, diffuser, or even towel dry aggressively, you're breaking your cuticle open again. Here's the fix. Always apply a heat protectant spray before styling. It adds a micro layer that prevents protein loss up to 50% according to cosmetic science studies. Use the cool setting on your dryer or air dry halfway, then finish with diffuser on low heat. Instead, pat dry with a microfiber towel or even a cotton t-shirt. That alone can reduce frizz by 30%. Remember, the goal isn't to fight your waves, it's to define and polish them. Step 5. Weekly reset, the gloss protocol. Once a week, do this routine for a model-tier reset. Clarify with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo to remove buildup. Apply your protein mask and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Finish with 3 drops of hair oil rubbed between your palms and pressed into the ends. Do this consistently for 3 out of 4 weeks, and you'll notice. Waves stay defined even when dry frizz drops by half. Light bounces off your hair instead of getting absorbed. That's the difference between good hair and glossy, camera-ready waves. Now here's what most people miss. Your scalp health controls your shine. If your scalp is clogged with oils, product residue, or dead skin, the roots can't produce balanced sebum, and your waves lose definition from the base. Here's what to do. Once a week, use a scalp scrub or 5-minute exfoliating shampoo. Look for salicylic acid or tea tree oil. Massage it gently. This boosts blood flow and nutrient delivery to your follicles. Follow up with your regular conditioner or protein mask. This simple habit keeps your scalp clean and your hair visibly shinier. Think of it as skincare for your hair. And here's the kicker. People will literally double take when your hair catches the light because glossy waves signal high status and health. That's why model hair matters. It's not vanity, it's body language. Here's the truth. Frizz isn't bad genetics, it's bad habits. Your wavy hair isn't a curse, it's a weapon you can build. Start with protein, seal in moisture, protect from heat, and watch your reflection transform. If this video gave you value, hit subscribe. Stay consistent, keep leveling up, and remember, average hair blends in, model hair stands out.